why talk therapy isn't enough anymore, and what's actually underneath. Talk therapy was designed in an era when we believed most psychological pain came from childhood and within your own personal history. We now know better. Modern research in epigenetics and intergenerational trauma confirms that significant portions of our suffering can be inherited biologically. Much of what feels like your issue may actually have originated with a parent, a grandparent, or even great-grandparents, people you may never even have met. Talk therapy structurally cannot reach this layer because the conscious mind doesn't have direct access to inherited material. This is why you can understand your patterns intellectually and still repeat them. Your insight is talking, but your inheritance is acting. Indicators you've hit the talk therapy ceiling: same pattern returning, no progress after years, feeling older than your life, inexplicable grief. When you've hit the ceiling, the answer isn't a better therapist. The answer is a different layer of the work entirely. Constellation work, somatic practices, ancestral healing, and systemic methods all access what talk therapy cannot: the inherited field. You don't need to abandon therapy. You need to add the layer underneath that does what talk therapy structurally cannot do. If you've ever thought, why am I still dealing with this after all of this work? This video is for you. And there is another way. Comment inherited to know more about my upcoming training.